In this video, we present a learning-based method for recovering 3D dynamic fluid surface. The problem of single image fluid surface reconstruction is challenging for several reasons. First, a single viewpoint is under constraint, making the 3D reconstruction problem ill-posed. Second, fluid surfaces cause refraction that bends the light paths non-linearly. Finally, fluid surfaces are fast evolving and we need to recover a sequence of surfaces that are spatially and temporally consistent. Here we present a deep neural network for recovering 3D fluid surfaces from a single viewpoint. We make the first attempt to use deep neural network for recovering fluid surfaces. Due to the lack of fluid data, we synthesize a large fluid dataset using physics-based fluid modeling and rendering. Further, our network is validated on real captured fluid images. Our fluid surface reconstruction network consists of two subnets, an encoder-decoder based convolutional neural network for per frame depth and normal estimation, and a recurrent neural network for enforcing the temporal consistency across multiple frames. Our network requires a two-step training process. Our CNN subnet takes in the refraction image and the reference pattern to estimate the depth and normal by analyzing refractive distortions. Our network considers physics-based laws that models the fluid refraction. Our RNN subnet takes the output from CNN as input and refines both depth and normal maps by enforcing temporal constraints. We use the convolutional LSTM layer to construct our RNN subnet. As it's challenging to capture fluid dataset with physical devices, we use physics-based modeling and rendering to synthesize a large fluid dataset for our network training. Our dataset consists over 45,000 refraction images from 75 fluid sequences. We use various reference patterns and we provide the ground truth depth and normal maps for each fluid surface. Our dataset will be made available in our project website. We first evaluate our approach on our synthetic fluid dataset. Our testing set consists of 1,000 refraction images that does not overlap with training set. Here we show the reconstruction of 4 wave sequences. We can see that our reconstruction are highly accurate. We also perform real experiments to evaluate our network. Here shows our experimental setup and the reference pattern that I used. Our water is around 10 cm deep. We place a reference pattern at the bottom and mount a camera on the top to record videos of water waves. Here we show our reconstruction results on the real data. To validate our reconstruction, we compare the re-rendered refraction images with the real captured ones. We can see that the distortions are highly consistent. For more details, please refer to our paper and project website. Thank you for watching this video.